Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello friends,
support.
welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of an exotic, beautiful design neckline which is being embellished with the beads and the pearl work. Let's quickly start with this designing. We need to apply the glue lines like this with a gap of 1 inch, and on that 3 lines I'd be sticking pink color kundans which is of drop shape, and I'd be highlighting these kundans with Zardosi work. For that I had already cut 1 inch Zardosi string like this. For the stitching of the Zardosi work, here I'd be using cotton silk thread and 9mm hemming needle, just inserting in the needle and giving couple of stitches on it. This is how we'll highlight the kundans first. Using this as the reference, we'll extend this designer pattern. These designs will really looks heavy, clumsy, but it looks very elegant and rich look because of the work with the golden beads, pearls and this gold Zardosi work. All these get together will give the fine and nice finishing which is very much essential for the jewelry designer patterns. And exactly in the center I'd be joining the semicircle pearl like this, followed with the pearl and the sugar bead. This is how we'll give the hanging pattern look. The semicircle pearl is of 1 mm size, and these are very small size of pearls which gives the hanging look like this with the sugar beads of gold color. You can try with the green color which will really reflects an emerald with the pearl and the gold work. You can use any contrasted colors because these are the jewelry patterns. Use rubies like pink color. Also you can try with the green color. I'm just giving an example so that you can try with any types of colors. Now on the tips of the kundans also I'd be joining in the same way like how I have shown in the center one. Firstly I'll stitch the semicircle pearl, followed with that I'll create the hanging look of 5 pearls with the sugar beads. If you follow this process of making step by step so that it will make your work easy to do, you can also try these type of designings following these instructions, fixing the small size of frame on already stitched blouses. On each and every kundan tip I'd be working with the pearl work first with the sugar beads. This is how we have to continuously give the stitch without any break. And the materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links is being provided in the description box. If you want, you can also check it. As I said, these are the clumsy designer patterns, but the final finishing will really gives the rich, elegant look. You can also try this for the festival occasion coming soon for the Dasara or for the Deepavali. Once you try it, you'd love to wear it. That is the passion of this design. After wearing this type of designer blouses, you don't need to wear any type of jewelry, and definitely for your work you will get the appreciation. When I look something special, you must try these type of patterns. These are the customized designer patterns. Now that I am done with the pearl work, extending further with the beads work, here I'll be using gold metallic beads of 2 mm size, also 1 mm size. So this is to create the hanging pattern look. I'll give the stitch of joining with the metallic beads like this. In the center I'd be joining 1 mm bead with the sugar bead. Once watching it carefully, you can clearly understand what here exactly I'm showing. If you follow these designs, you can also try this designing on your old blouses. Also you can try this designing on your plain suits also to make into designer suits. So once we will be joining here 2 mm bead with the sugar bead. Also in the centers we will join 1 mm bead with the sugar bead. This is how the pattern will be continued on the complete neckline. I'm almost done with this designing. The sampling which I have shown is clear to all. Having any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address your requests. This is how we have to move forward on the complete neckline. Once completed, the final lookout would look like this. So friends, that's all for now. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles. May be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.